This is Eurasian coot. These water birds are recognized by its snowy white bill and forehead shield. The Eurasian coot ranges from Eurasia to Indonesia, New Guinea, and Australia. Birds have also recently transported themselves to New Zealand, and the species is quickly becoming established. In Australia, the Eurasian coot is common in suitably vegetated lagoons and swamps. Birds are less common in the north and in the drier regions. This is a noisy bird with a wide repertoire of crackling, explosive, or trumpeting calls, often given at night. Their nest is often a floating raft of vegetation or is built on logs or tree stumps that are surrounded by water. Both male and female birds share incubation and care of the young. However, if food becomes scarce, the young birds may be killed by the parents. The chicks are covered with a black down. On the body, the down has yellow hair-like tips. The young are brooded by the female for the first 3 to 4 days, during which time food is brought by the male. The male also builds one or more platforms that is used for roosting and brooding the chicks. On leaving the nest, the brood is sometimes split up with each parent taking care of a separate group. The young can feed themselves when they are around 30 days and fled at 55 to 60 days. That's all for now. Subscribe for more.